welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to share with you my newest purchase, and this is something, you guys, that I did not really expect to get it or to buy it so soon. And I'm talking about the watch. As you can see of the title, it's a Tag, is it called Heuer, I think, Tag Heuer watch, which is the Swiss watch. And this watch I had on my radar for over a year. I saw it at the store a couple of times, and I saw people wearing it, and I was like, I love it so much. So I kind of put it on my, I'm gonna say, a secondary wish list, because it wasn't something that I have to have it right away. Because if you've been watching me for a while, you know I always wear the same watch, which is my Michelle watch, and I occasionally will change my watch to Burberry or some other ones that I have. But once I like the watch, that's what I use all the time. So even this is also a Michelle watch, but this is with the silicone strap, is more kind of summery. Even this I don't wear as often as my normal bracelet watch. If you remember, I always kind of link it similar down below. But once I buy the watch that I really like, I tend to stick to it for quite some time, and I'm talking about at least 2 years or so. So that's how long I have my bracelet Michelle watch, which my husband took it to change the battery, so I don't even have to show you. So I've been wearing this for a while now. So recently my husband noticed that this watches went on sale on one of the websites, which is the authenticwatches.com, I think. I'm gonna double check. I will link that website below. I've been strolling through that website for a very long time, you guys, and I just kind of look at the watch and, you know, someday. But they have a sale, and I've decided to go for it. So here it came. They shipped super quickly. I think they are located in California. They ship it literally overnight. Like, I bought it on Monday, you have it on Tuesday. It was just amazing. So here's the box, and this is, to be honest with you, this is my very first Tag Heuer watch. Please let me know how do you pronounce that correctly. I feel embarrassed right now. But yeah, let me show you guys which one I've got. So it comes in this box, and then you open up, and then you can slide. Oh, by the way, there's like a little booklet that you have underneath, so with all the handy dandy information, and then you just slide this box, and then you have the inner box, which is, it feels like a leather, but I don't know if it's a leather. And it's, of course, there's a logo embossed right here up front. And the watch that I've got, da-da-da. So this is the beautiful Aquaracer with the bezel has all the diamonds around. So I picked the one, I think they do have one with no diamonds, but I picked the one with the diamonds because, you know, you can never have enough diamonds, right? Even though they are very small. There's about 60 diamonds, I think they say, around the bezel, and the entire watch is like ceramic. They say it's made of the anti-scratched ceramic material. Hopefully, because I was actually concerned, because as you see, the watch is black, and I'll tell you why I picked black. They also have it in white, but because I wear so much black, you guys, I mean, I like the contrast of white and black, like I have today on, but I do wear a lot of black because of my work and other stuff, you know. So, but I always went, in the past, I always went for the stainless steel bracelets, you know, like combination of silver and gold. That was my ideal combination. So I thought I want something different, and I thought this watch was so beautiful, and you gotta trust me, it's just so shiny in person. Look how stunning it is. And I took all the protective stickers off. There's a little glare because of the light, so I apologize, but it is so beautiful. And so it has the date and of course the hours. Here's all the little diamonds, and this the ceramic bracelet, and of course like typical you know, openings, what they call them, butterfly openings. So yeah, and it's not too heavy, so I'm very happy about the fact that it's just not, because I hate like super duper heavy watches and I love big watches. Okay, few of you actually asked me if I own the Rolex. I do own the Rolex. I actually brought it. So here is the Rolex, you guys, that I own, and you probably never ever saw me wearing this Rolex. I don't think I even put this once on my wrist while I was filming. And as you can see, it's very beautiful. It's all diamonds again around, and the little hours, the little dots inside also have a little diamonds. This is how it looks on the side. Here is the back. So why I don't wear my Rolex is because it's small. So I want you guys to see a difference. Do you see the difference? I am such a lover of big watches, so this one to me is just too small, and I don't know, for some reason I don't feel comfortable. This was nothing that I chose myself. This was actually a gift from my husband, and I wish the Rolex was the size, then I would obviously wear it. And I told my husband, like, just sell it. You know? I mean, I just don't never wear it, you guys. So I mean, maybe occasionally I'll put like on Sunday, you know, going to church, but literally there is very little chance you will ever see me wearing this Rolex. So this is completely different story, and as you know, all the watches that I have are just big watches. So I try not, I always ask my husband, don't buy me anymore, like unless you really ask me, you know, what I like and what I don't like. So let me put this one on. I still need to make a little bit smaller. So this is the watch on me. Look how beautiful. And it's a little bit, as you can see, it's a little bit big. I have to, here's dangling. I have to, you know, have it taken probably a link or two. So I like generally to be a little bit loose, but this is just like, see how it goes very far. It's a little bit too loose, so I'll have to, yeah, probably 2 links. If I take 2 links off, it will be awesome. But this is how it looks like on me, and I think it's stunning. So this watch, you guys, I purchased, like I mentioned, from authenticwatches.com, and came with a certificate of authenticity. And they're amazing website. My husband bought a couple of watches from them before. He's even looking at some Rolexes there on the website. They have really competitive prices. It also came with a TAG Heuer Precious Stone certificate. So I guess this is for the diamonds. Yeah, so it's pretty much, it says it's 60 diamonds, shape and cut, full cut, you know, all the information. So it's kind of like in here. And then I guess this is like their business card, authenticwatches.com. And it also comes with a warranty card, and I believe this watch has a lifetime warranty. And I'm not gonna show you the back because it's all my information. When was it purchased? And actually I can show you this. So it just kind of shows you, you know, all the info. Sorry, I'm covering the, yeah, but it's a style number is WAY, W-A-Y 1395, and the maker is obviously the tag. So, yeah, so you get all the documents, you know, when you purchase, pricey watches, obviously, so you get all the legit documents and everything. So yeah, I highly recommend. I mean, this is not a sponsored video by any means. I purchased this watch myself, so I didn't get any extra discount for doing it. I just want to share with you because I had really positive experience, and I'm very happy with the watch. And just the fact that they shipped overnight is like an extra bonus, so you don't have to wait for your precious purchase. So what do you guys think? I just have to take a couple of links of this, but yeah, this is how it looks. So you're probably gonna see me a lot wearing this watch. And like I said, I wear a lot of black. If you know, if I wear even like blue jeans, because I mostly wear jeans, I'll still have some kind of either white or black top or something. I don't know, I just like very kind of classic style. Occasionally, of course, I will use color. I mean, we all use it, but most of the time, especially if I have some, you know, work related places to go and think and of course for my work, you know, when I perform, I always wear black. So to me, black was just no-brainer, and I wanted ceramic watch, and just this watch, like I told you guys, every time I take a look at, you know, online or the catalogs or the store, I was just like, I want this watch. So I know you guys gonna ask me about the price. I'm gonna share with you. It was with the discount, it was 2,300, either 50 or 75, something like that. So under $2,400. Yes, it is very expensive. The retail price is over $4,000 for this watch, but you can find it, of course, you know, cheaper. So I thought it was quite a fair price, you know, and those watches, I've heard they're very, very good quality. So basically, this will be my name day gift slash Mother's Day gift. If you're not familiar with the name day, we have in Poland, we don't really celebrate birthday once you turn 18 or 19. We don't really are not big on the birthdays. I mean, I do because I live in America, so I do celebrate. But we do celebrate our name days. So whatever your name is, there's a name in the calendar. So that particular day, let's say everybody who has your name, let's say Kathy or something like that, they will celebrate their name days. And my name is Magdalena or Magda. My name day is on May 29th, so that's where I celebrate my day. So it's kind of like a birthday, you just have a big party and all of it. So since I'm in America, I celebrate both. Birthday, name day, I mean, every single occasion is good to get a gift and celebrate. So yeah, so this watch is pretty much like my little gift, and you know, the Mother's Day is coming up, so why not? All right, guys, I hope I covered everything. If you have any questions, please let me know, and let me know what do you think about this watch. I am kind of obsessed, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to take some of the links out of it so I can feel more, you know, comfortable on my wrist. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you want me to do some kind of in-depth review at some point, please let me know. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.